What services does Myungsung A&T, a factory automation design and construction company, provide to its partners? Myungsung A&T specializes in plant electrical design and automatic control systems that are essential to the factory automation process. We are a comprehensive plant engineering solutions partner that provides comprehensive process control and electrical solutions across the plant industry, from design and construction of customized factory automation, optimized for our customers. Based on a rich implementation experience and proven in-house developed solutions, Myungsung A&T provides the optimal customized system to meet your needs, from the basics to the sophistication of factory automation systems. From design to manufacturing, construction, commissioning, and operation, we provide electrical and instrumentation design to construction, as well as process management, plant management, and infrastructure construction in various fields such as electricity, electronics, semiconductors, secondary batteries, and chemicals. We provide all solutions from A to Z of factory automation and process design. Smart sensors that simultaneously monitor the temperature and vibration conditions of the factory, which are essential for automated operation management. Smart communication modules that seamlessly connect the entire automation process. Smart isolators to control electrical processes in factories. The multi-facility diagnostic kit that can identify all automation processes at a glance is directly developed and manufactured by Myungsung A&T with its own technology. In recognition of our automation operation management technology, we have the patent for automation operation device technology and KC and CE certifications. Myungsung A&T capability enables our partners to increase productivity and reduce costs, contributing to enhanced competitiveness and customer confidence. Currently, Myungsung A&T is advancing overseas based on know-how applied to various large-scale industries and large corporations such as automobile secondary batteries, semiconductor production lines, automobiles, and chemicals. We design and build factory automation worldwide. At Myungsung A&T, we want to impress our customers and grow together with them. We will continue to work hard until the day when Myungsung A&T becomes the name of the game for automation, so that customers can say that any service related to the automation system is quickly resolved by Myungsung A&T. Customer-centric provider. Myungsung A&T.